Assalamu alaikum, have a good day. Welcome to Financial Management eLearning. Today we are going to start IFRS update. There is a question, what is IAS and what is IFRS? So one thing here that the International Accounting Standards IAS was a set of standards that was developed by the International Accounting Standard Committee. They were originally launched in 1973 but have since been replaced by the International Financial Reporting Standards IFRS. IFRS is a set of standards that was developed by the International Accounting Standard Board ISB from 1973 until 2001. There was International Accounting Standard Committee. That committee replaced through the International Accounting Standard Board in the year 2001, and it is continuing. And this board setting the standards is named International Financial Reporting Standards, and this board adopt all IAS. So what is International Accounting Standard? IAS, better known as International Accounting Standards, was a set of a standard that direct how to particular transaction or event should be reflected in the financial statements. And International Accounting Standards Committee has been issued this standard from 1973 until 2001. In 2001, the ISB took over the International Accounting Standard Committee's responsibilities in setting the standards. From 1973 to 2001, there were 41 International Accounting Standards issued. Existing International Accounting Standards are IS 1, Presentation of Financial Statement, IS 2, Inventories, IS 7, Statement of Cash Flows, IS 8, Accounting Policies, Changes in Accounting Estimation and Error, IS 10, Event After the Reporting Period, IS 12, Income Taxes, IS 16, Property, Plant and Equipment, IS 19, Employees Benefit, IS 20, Accounting for Government Grants and Disclosure of Government Assistance, IS 21, the effects of the change in the foreign exchange rate, IS 23, Borrowings Cost, IS 24, Related Party Disclosure, IS 26, Accounting and Reporting Retirement Benefit Plan, IS 27, Separate Financial Statements, IS 28, Investment in Associate and Joint Venture, IS 29, Financial Reporting and Hyperinflationary Economics, IS 32, Financial Instrument Presentation, IS 33, Earnings Per Share, IS 34, Interim Financial Reporting, IS 36, Impairment of Assets, IS 37, Provision, Contingent Liability and Contingent Asset, IS 38, Intangible Asset, IS 40, Investment Properties, IS 41, Agriculture. ISs that existing at this moment. And if we see the IFRS, what is IFRS? IFRS is a standard for International Financial Reporting Standard. As indicated within the title, these standards are aimed as a global practice. The goal is to achieve a single set of high-quality common accounting standards used worldwide. IFRS requires the financial statements be presented using four basic principles: clarity, relevance, reliability, and comparability. At this moment, 17 IFRS are existing. Number 1, the IFRS 1, first time adoption of International Financial Reporting Standards. IFRS 2, share-based payments. IFRS 3, business combination. IFRS 4, insurance contract is suspended by IFRS 17 as of 1st January 2023. IFRS 5, non-current asset held for sale and discontinued operations. IFRS 6, exploration and the evaluation of the mineral resource. IFRS 7, financial instrument disclosures. IFRS 8, operating segment. IFRS 9, financial instruments. IFRS 10, consolidated financial statements. IFRS 11, joint arrangements. IFRS 12, disclosures of interest in other entities. IFRS 13, fair value measurement IFRS 14, regulatory deferral account. IFRS 15, revenue from contracts with customers. IFRS 16, leases. IFRS 17, insurance contracts. So what is the basic difference between IAS and IFRS? Basically, is the standards, the International Accounting Standards, or is short IAS, or a standard issued by the International Accounting Standard Committee from 1973 to 2001 that dictates how events and transactions should reflect on a company's financial statement. The International Financial Reporting Standards, or the short IFRS, is the current and updated version of the IAS and is issued by the new standards making body, the International Accounting Standard Board. If there are contradictions in the IFRS with the old IAS, the IFRS should be followed. So basically all are the IFRS. We'll not get any IAS in future. We will get only IFRS. Near future, most of the IAS will be suspended through the new IFRS. For example, if you see IAS 18 revenue, IAS 11 construction contract, and the new IFRS 15 revenue from contracts with customers, it's come IFRS 15. So if we see IAS 18 and IAS 11, there's separate model for construction contract, goods, service that focus risks and rewards. It was some limitations on the multiple element arrangement, variable consideration, licensing, etc. Now, in the new IFRS 15, revenue from contracts with customers is the single model for performance obligations, satisfied over time, satisfied at the point of time, and focus on control, more guidance, separate elements, allocation, the transaction price, variable consideration, license, purchase arrangement, and so on. We can say the purpose of IFRS is that entities have common accounting rules that allow financial statements to be consistent, reliable, and comparable between every business in any country. So, a worldwide IFRS is using its harmonized accounting system. Many thanks. Stay with Financial Management eLearning. We'll see you with next IFRS update. Allah Hafiz.